When your carpet's in a mess, call ProCare.
Hi, my name is John Browning, and I'm the president of ProCare. Welcome to our website. We're excited that you're considering us for your textile cleaning, hard surface cleaning, or fiber and fabric protection needs. ProCare is a private, locally owned and operated company. For over 25 years, ProCare has endeavored to bring unparalleled excellence in textile and hard surface care to Middle Tennessee. We take pride in our reputation, experience, education, systems, and our guarantee. Our mission is to provide you with the most outstanding service experience ever. Our qualified technicians have over 75 years of collective experience and are all IICRC certified. So take a look around and see how we can best serve you. Once you do, I think you will want to make ProCare your textile and hard surface care company for life.
Call the company that